The river Brahmaputra is a braided river. Ganga and Brahmaputra are international rivers, but flood is an international riddle problem, as the writer already described it in 2000 at Dhaka University international seminar. And it is recognized by intellectuals of the world. Main problem is bankline erosion of Brahmaputra and its tributaries. So bankline erosion, we are to control it. How? And side by side, we are to desilt the river Brahmaputra. Bankline erosion of the Brahmaputra, a fight against seismic activity, use silt drainage, reduction of pressure on the river bed, which is very dangerous nowadays. Distributor channels are to be parallel with the major channel. Otherwise, it will divert our original landmass. And this is, this part you can see, this is main channel. This is main channel. This is main channel, and this main channel creating this main channel. This main channel. This is main channel. This is main channel. This is main channel, and the parallel channels. These will be parallel channels. These are the sub-channel of Brahmaputra and producing so many chores here. Here are chores are there. Here they are with the main channel, and the sub-channels are there. Those who form one after another islands, river islands, and there people start to settle, and it create river bed pressure, and ultimately it create pressure on bankline, and due to that pressure it start to erode the bankline. See, the river is very big one. Starting from this Janglong, that is Shangpo, there is Siang in Arunachal, this is Brahmaputra in India, and this is Jamuna in Bangladesh, Padma, Jamuna, then Bay of Bengal. So the river is very, very long river, one side, other side it is international river. And so problem is also international. Not only that, there are so many problems of nature. One side seismic pressure is here, always earthquake is here, landmass is very, very soft, very new mountain system. Other side, rainfall is very, very high, and on the other side, this part density of population is very high, and human interference is also more. Here also interference very high. So it is a very problematic, and this problem not one nation but the nations, is the international problem. And it is a resource. So many resources are there. It is a very long river, that is also one resource. Huge water resource. It's big treasury of the world, and flora and fauna. And unique river system of the world. Upper course is navigable, middle course is GORGE in Arunachal area, and lower middle course is navigable, that is in Brahmaputra, and in Jamuna it is a very plain river navigable, and in last one is with the connection of ocean, Bay of Bengal. This is also one resource. Is it? I am talking about last 16 years. They say we are to utilize this water resource, and we can reduce the transporting cost of our goods, and we can send all types of materials in foreign countries. Its problem, upper course snow cover with high altitude, upper middle is high rainfall, high seismic movement, very young mountain system, and lower course is hot and humid climate. As a result, very high human interference and density of population. Promotion of ecotourism is one very, very good solution of this river. And you can utilize the river. Already Pasighat area we are utilizing for any type of water games, and so we should utilize it in this way. And on the other hand, you know, very beautiful our tea gardens are there. Everyone like to see this part. We can utilize it as our tourist attraction. Our tourist attraction is also in this part. So it's a Majuli area, and various types of colorful people are there, and we can utilize this river island, and colorful people are here, they are everywhere. So we can utilize this thing also. From this area we can use this part. Is a very good water transport system. From this area, this is Tezpur area, Majuli area, this is our various, international forest area, that is rain forest area here. So people are to be attracted to see this Meghalaya area. So from this part we can introduce the water transporting system up to Bay of Bengal, and this will what? This will give you once. This is sea. What beautiful islands are here. The river resource, water is very high water resource. This area, Brahmaputra. So this is our Kaziranga, and rhinos are there, one-horned rhino. This is Karmanasha, Umananda in Guwahati, middle part of Brahmaputra, there is a hill. These are also very important attraction of tourism. The students, hydrological students, will come here and do their research, as I was doing here last 9 to 10 years in my research time. So that students, foreign students, will come and do their research work here in Brahmaputra also. So on the other hand, if you start to drive one after another very big cargoes on Brahmaputra, and it will give you very good result. I am doing various types of work here. So flora and fauna here very important. See how beautiful its bank line. And now I realized movement of ship on the river is only way to desilt, to remove the huge amount of silt, because silt is coming from loose soil of Himalaya, and in every moment it is depositing here and bed is uplifting. So if you can desilt by some machine, dredger, etc., it is not possible, because we have our friend country, that is Bangladesh, from Sadia to Dhubri and Jamuna, Padda, we can run very big ships frequently, which will desilt the silt from this Brahmaputra to our Bay of Bengal. In one side, it will be good for Bangladesh part, it will be good for Assam part also. And slowly the river main channel of Brahmaputra will be straightening, and all channels will be parallel to some extent, and it will help erosion of bank line. And slowly you are to reduce pressure of the river on bedside. See, already in my research work also I have done this work, the vegetation control of amendment side. There's so many amendments are there. 8,000 amendment is there, dike is there. So if you can plant here bamboo, cane and reeds, so it will one side protect our amendment and protect our countryside, the field of paddy fields, etc. And how we can utilize the vertical distribution. See, vertical distribution in this way. This is Brahmaputra. This part is Brahmaputra. This is Brahmaputra. And this part, bamboo forest here, bamboo forest here, cane forest here. So here cane forest, here cane forest, this bamboo forest, this is bamboo forest, and grass and reeds. Grass and reeds will, if somehow there is a breaching, then it will come and it will, grass and reed will give some protection to our paddy field. So, if we can run big ships here on water part of Brahmaputra, then it will desilt this part. This part will be desilt, and this is the process as I proposed last few years. And if you can continue as British period they did it, and then bankline erosion will reduce. Other side, this forest, bamboo forest, cane forest will give you good environment in one side. Other environment, it will give you resource, and water resource will be utilized. Other side, environmental condition will be good, and this amendment will give you very good protection, the river and the countryside. And this breaching of amendment, I can say whatever you can do every year, breaching, but we are not trying for any breach protection method. But I do suggest you, if you do it, Water Resource Department, Guwahati also consult sometime, but nobody dare to say that this is the only way. This is the only way to give protection to our bank line. If you give bank line protection, then all types of economic development, ecotourism will develop, and our environment will develop. See, already there is a system, inland waterways is there, but we have to slightly modify our bridge and inner part of bridges. We should reduce the pillars under these bridges. Already have. See, people like this thing also. People like to see this village area, how Brahmaputra working on the village side, how tribal people live with flood. This is also important. And why not people will go through Brahmaputra to Jamuna and Bangladesh, because there is a very big Dhaka city. They can enjoy it. They can enjoy Calcutta Harbour, Calcutta Victoria Memorial, St. Paul's, that's a Central Kolkata, Howrah Bridge, Kolkata tram system, Vidyasagar Setu. This is many things they can enjoy here, and this system will help us. One side economic development, other side flood will reduce, erosion will reduce of Brahmaputra river. Thank you.